Hello everybody, welcome back to C8 Corvettes in beautiful sunny Sarasota, Florida. It's your Corvette buddy Lyle here to talk to you about more interesting, exciting, and today, helpful Corvette hints. We're going to get into it right now. So as you guys probably know, if you've been watching the national weather at all, we've had quite the cold snap down here in Florida over the last 2 to 3 weeks. You know, temperatures dropping into the mid to low 30s at night, high of like 43 during the day, which is basically, in Florida speak, that's like 22 below. So a lot of people have been having electrical problems with their cars. Specifically, when it's that cold, batteries tend to suffer, especially if they were weak to start with. So I wanted to do a little bit of a kind of info session on battery tenders. Today we're going to talk specifically about battery tenders for the C6, C7, and C8. I'll do another video in the future for the recommended tenders for the older cars, but the ones that are being driven most frequently are the latest generations. So let's talk about what your best choices are to have a battery tender attached to your car if you're not driving the car every day. The unit that I'm going to talk about today is called the CTEK, CTEK MXS 5.0. It is available online. You can buy it on Amazon. There's actually a link below. Every product I'm going to talk about today, there's links in the description below this video. So click down here where it says more if you want to buy one. I'm not selling them. I'm just showing you where to get it. The CTEK MXS 5.0 has basically been the consensus most recommended best bang for the buck battery tender for Corvette for quite a long time. It is incredibly similar to the GM OEM unit that they put out for the C6, C7, and C8, but it's just about 60% the price. So that's something I would definitely look into. One of the nice things about both units, the CTEK and the GM, is that they do have a cigarette plug adapter. So what that means is instead of having to have your hood open to get you to your battery or your trunk open to get to your battery, what you could do is simply plug in this adapter, and you simply plug the cigarette lighter end of that adapter into your 12-volt receiver in your console, in your dash, wherever, and just simply close the door on the wire, and your car remains sealed to the elements. Nothing's going to get in or out. You're not leaving any panels open, like leaving your trunk open to where the lights could stay on and drain your battery more than even the tender can give it. So I like that a lot. Now, only C6, C7, and C8 have that ability, which is why we're going to do the older cars in another video. So that's the unit I would recommend. If you let your car sit for 4 to 5 days at a time or more on a regular basis, I highly recommend having a battery tender because the computer systems in your car are constantly draining just a little bit at a time to keep themselves awake and alert and all of your information correct. So you really want to kind of just feed that without relying on the battery, especially if the car is going to be stationary for extended periods of time. This will save you so much trouble in, oh, I want to go drive my Corvette. It's a beautiful day. You go out and nothing, or it struggles. And when I say struggles, the C6, C7, and C8, even if you jump start the car, if the battery itself has run low, your alternator in the car is meant to maintain the charge that a battery has, not to build a charge, not like taking the battery out, hooking it to a battery charger for 10 hours and bringing it all the way back up. So even when your car is running, your alternator can't run the electrical systems in the car, run the engine, and charge your battery up to 12.1 volts or whatever. So the electrical systems in the 6, 7, and 8 generation tend to kind of do this, and they get really, really weird. Weird lights. This doesn't work, that works. This is telling you that something's wrong and it's not. You'll get all kinds of odd behavior in the interior of the car, and you'll know it. So this is one of the ways to mitigate having that problem. If you keep your battery topped up using one of these tenders, odds of you experiencing serious unforeseen electrical problems on the regular basis is going to be super, super minimalized. It's a great investment to have. It's a great way to protect your car. No different than a car cover protects your paint. Honestly, a good battery tender protects your electrical system and your battery. So if you like having a car cover, you should have a tender for the same reasons. Anywho, again, it's the CTEK MXS 5.0. It's $89.99 on Amazon. The adapter plug for the cigarette lighter is also available there. It's $15.99. And if you really want to stick with only the GM OEM tender, that's absolutely fine. There's an option to buy that straight from GM. That's linked below too. They run about $148.31. So make sure that you are taking care of your batteries, especially since so many of you right now have your cars put away for the winter. If you don't have one of these, I absolutely recommend you get one. It is going to save you many, many hours of trouble, many hours of frustration, and save you buying a bunch of batteries. So that's what we got for today. I hope you all are well, and we'll talk to you soon.